In this video, we will go over the steps necessary for installing the MedLED face shield. This kit is capable of fitting the Chrome Series headlight, as well as the Sapphire and Onyx models. First, remove the front padding strip. For the Sapphire and Onyx models, remove the front snap padding. Wipe the front portion of the head strap with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils and debris. Using the provided knob assemblies and attachment strips, install the knob assembly. Remove the red backing on the adhesive strips on the knob assemblies. Identify the knob assembly placement by counting from the center, 5 holes away from the post or bezel. Align the tip of the knob assembly directly behind the 5th hole, ensuring that the knob is slightly angled up. Apply pressure once placed. Lining the first attachment strip up with the 2 inline holes, attach the soft side of the strip to the inside of the head strap. Wrap the attachment strip around the front side of the head strap, keeping pressure on the knob. Repeat for the second strip, placing it directly behind the first one. Verify that both strips are tight, and move on to the next knob. Reinstall the front padding. And now we will be installing the face shield. Remove the knob. Next, remove one of the 2 tension plates. Place the shield slot over the knob screw, lining it up inside the track. Place the tension plate back. Verify that you see 4 dots. If you do not, it is installed backwards. Reinstall the knob. Switching to the other side, repeat those steps. Make a few small adjustments to straighten the shield on the head strap. Place the head strap on your head. Slightly adjust both knobs. This will allow you to slide the face shield out or in, depending on your placement needs. Slightly pull the face shield away from the head strap to gain easier access to the intensity knob.